Hey there, amazing parents! Welcome to the Product Reviews channel. Today, we are diving into a topic every new parent needs to know about: the best liquid detergents for baby clothes on Amazon India. Now, we all know that babies have delicate skin, and choosing the right detergent is crucial to keep those cute little outfits clean and skin-friendly. So let's get started with our top picks. First up, we have Mamaearth's plant-based baby laundry liquid detergent. This detergent is a crowd favorite, and for good reason. It's made from natural ingredients, free from harmful chemicals, and is gentle on baby's sensitive skin. Plus, it's got a fresh, mild fragrance that keeps clothes smelling great. You can find the link to buy Mamaearth baby detergent at the best price in the description below. Next, we have Neem Mild Baby Liquid Laundry Detergent. Neem is a trusted brand among parents, and their detergent doesn't disappoint. It's hypoallergenic, biodegradable, and fights tough stains while being soft on the fabric. Perfect for keeping those adorable onesies looking and feeling new. Again, check the video description for the best deals on Neem baby detergent. Lastly, let's talk about Pigeon baby laundry detergent. This one is super effective at removing stubborn stains, and it's specially formulated to ensure no residue is left behind. Pigeon's detergent is also free from artificial colors and fragrances, making it safe for your little one's clothes. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab Pigeon baby detergent at an amazing price. So, there you have it, our top 3 picks for the best baby clothes detergents on Amazon India. Remember to like and share this video if you found it helpful, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to channel name for more essential baby tips. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day every day, and stay blessed.